welcome back to, hold on, wait a minute, because I'm not, my energy ain't right. Hold on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gloria B. First of all, happy new year, okay? It's 2021, okay? So by the title, y'all know what type of video I am doing. I am doing the new year Q&A. Y'all like my shirt? I'm just gonna do my makeup. This gonna be a little slight. This ain't no special look or nothing like that. This really just something to look decent on camera for. So the first question says, what was the single best thing that happened to you this past year? So I got my house. I got my own house. I got to decorate it the way I want it. It's one thing to just get a house, but it's two things when it comes with a house that just make it even more special. When you get your house built, or you come in and you remodel and renovate your house the way you want it. You know, put that extra special touch on it. What was the single most challenging thing that happened? I don't know, because this year was full of so many challenges. I guess the single most challenging is just seeing people's true colors and choosing not to react in the way that you want to react. I'm telling you, everybody could have caught the fade. Do you hear me? Sitting back and let stuff play out, not retaliating, not seeking revenge, and not telling your side of the story. Oh, so challenging. Definitely things that I needed to see in people, things that I needed to experience for myself, for my own personal growth, and just for life. I hope my eyebrows look great, because I'm telling y'all, I'm halfway doing this makeup. Next question, what was an unexpected joy this past year? Baby, them stimmies was an unexpected joy. Ain't nothing like unexpected money. Free unexpected money. Okay, thank you, T-Daddy. What was an unexpected obstacle? A lot of things were unexpected this year, but nothing behind these obstacles didn't birth a bigger blessing for me. Anytime something got in my way, I knew it was because something bigger was finna come. And that's on period. I know I always do skinny eyebrows, but I just think for my face and stuff, like big eyebrows ain't for me. Next question. Pick 3 words to describe this past year. Hell on wheels, hell on steroids, hell on hell. I mean, what 3 words can I pick? 2020 wasn't playing with nobody. What were your most valuable relationships with? After all that went down, my most valuable relationship was with God, okay, myself, my son, and my boyfriend. Rightfully so. I'm not really doing my makeup the best way I could be doing it right now. Whatever. What was your biggest personal change from January to December? So the biggest personal change I could make was just like surrounding myself with nothing but happiness. So doing things that make me happy and being around people who make me happy. That was the best personal change I could make. A lot can go on. Things can happen. I don't want to ever get to the point where something happens or somebody does something to me to where I lose all my happiness. I'm learning to be happy despite what somebody says, what somebody do, what happens. And I'm not saying pretend like everything is all right, but I am saying even when it is a-okay, I'm a-okay. How did it look? I don't know. Next question. In what ways did you grow emotionally? So one thing about me is I am very emphatic. Emotionally, I feel things intensely. So as far as emotionally, baby, I just had to stop wearing my heart on my sleeve. I had to. With me not wearing my heart on my sleeve, I didn't take things as personal anymore. You know, my feelings couldn't be hurt as easily. I had to tuck them feelings away, not remove my feelings, not make myself heartless, but I had to protect my feelings because they can be easily hurt. There was something that I had to learn to do just so I can stop being in my feelings about a lot of things. It'll help you process things and move forward quicker. In what ways did you grow spiritually? So I really didn't go to church this year, not even a lot. Spiritually, I took a hit. I lost faith in some things, but I never lost faith in God. I had to reevaluate religion. I had to reevaluate spirituality. I just needed to know God for me. Not what nobody else think, not what nobody else say. I had to get to know God for me. I grew because, you know, I'm finding out what I believe. What I feel in my heart is right and wrong. What I feel in my heart is true or not. There is no middle person. There is no person telling me this is wrong, this is right. It's just me and God. Even when I mess up, that's between me and God. That's as personal as it can get. I still don't know how to feel about church right now, or, you know, things like that, but that's a whole different video. What way did you grow physically? Baby, that booty got bigger. Not even gonna lie. It got bigger. The bag got bigger. My booty did grow though. I'm not even gonna cap. It had a little cup to it. A little drop to it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all still gonna see my little blemishes and acne and stuff. Cause I'm not trying to look flawless. And don't come for me. Next question says, in what ways did you grow in your relationship with others? I learned how to say what needs to be said and stand on it. But I also learned when it comes down to my relationship with others is not just speaking my mind, but also listening as well, because that's very important. You can't want to be heard if you don't listen. You need to listen. What was the most enjoyable part of your work? I was stay-at-home mom for most of 2020, and there is no better feeling than being at home with your child, because I feel like I got closer to him, which caused me to be able to be a better parent. And you know, of course, he got on my nerves like I don't his. Absolutely, absolutely. What was the most challenging part of your work? I wouldn't say there's nothing really challenging about it. Some days you do have that battle in your mind, like, do I need to go to work? You know, feeling like you're not doing anything when you literally are raising a whole human being. And I think most stay-at-home moms can relate to me when I say that. Eventually I got over that though, because I was like, I'm staying at home, I'm enjoying my life, like my bills still paid and stuff, so what am I talking about? What was your single biggest time waster in your life this past year? I wasted my time just like, I let things and people in my space, in my head space, and thought about people and thought about things more than I should have. Thinking about what somebody did, or why did they do it, or like, you know, just replaying stuff back to back in my head. I should not have done it, and I will not do that ever again. I wasted my time trying to explain myself to people, trying to get an understanding with people that are not interested in getting an understanding with me. And that's Mary Had a Little Lamb and Humpty Dumpty them. What was the best way you used your time in this past year? I ultimately feel like towards the end of the year, once I got my own place so I could make YouTube videos regularly and how I wanted to, I utilized that time to record videos that would be good content. What was the biggest thing you learned this past year? The biggest thing I learned this past year was to just let go. Let go of things. I hold on to things, but I have to learn to let go and just continue on with my life. Don't let anyone disturb my energy. Don't let anyone disturb my peace. Don't let anyone disrupt anything good that's going for me. Oh, so another one of the biggest things that I learned was like how to handle disrespect, because disrespect of 2020, the audacity, I let way too much slide, baby. When somebody say or do whatever, I need to make them stand on it right then and there. So the last question is, create a phrase or statement So the last question is, create a phrase or statement create a phrase or statement that describes this past year for you. I say, I don't want to sound corny when I say this, the year vision, but it kind of was the year vision. So 2020 year vision. Does it look like too much? The lashes is kind of giving me too much right now. I don't know. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hi to my new subscribers. Hi to everybody that is subscribed to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed and peace.